Today I will tell you how can you convert your code into a PDF in VS Code. So for converting you have to open that folder where your file has been stored. So I'm then opening that folder. So my file is stored here. So I've opened it. So I will write here some sample programs. Here it is. So I will go to here, this print menu. If this is not showing, you have to go to extensions and then write here print. And then open this. Here you can see it is installed and enabled. If not, you have to first install this and then enable this and then go to your file and then go to print. Here you can see it is the pop-up menu was opened to print it. From here you can do some settings. As size you can enlarge it and then click on print. Here you have to give the name. I'm writing here a name and then press enter. So your file has been successfully saved to the location where you have selected. As you can see, it is opened in the PDF form, calculate.pdf. Thank you.